Hi friends, so I'm about to edit episode 2, and while I'm at it, I was like, okay, let me just show them how we do it. So let's do it. So I'm using CapCut. Have you heard of CapCut before? So if you haven't, it's a video editing app, and they have it for the iPhone, and they also have an app for the desktop. And I started using it a few months ago. A friend of mine told me about it because before I was on InShot, and I tried it and I liked it. It's actually a little bit more robust than InShot when it comes to video, although I still go to InShot to do specific things like collages and things like that. And so then I made this YouTube video the other day that you all watched, and I needed to edit it. And then when I got to the computer, I was dreading the edit using Premiere because I'm a graphic designer. And so Premiere is just annoying, too many tools. So I was like, let me just try CapCut. So I downloaded it and here we are. So I'm just gonna show you what I know so far, which what I know edited me a whole video and exported it into YouTube, and you saw it. So I think that's good enough. So this is the window. This is your preview. It has all the layers and things like that. So let me just go back, okay? To how you see a project file. Okay, by the way, I tried recording this on Loom, it did not work. So I'm gonna open the YouTube that you all saw. Here it is. Okay, so here's the window again. This is the actual project file window, and as you can see, here's your timeline. Timelines in most software or creative software works in layers. And so I have my audios, my footage, my adjustment layers, all of that good stuff. Right over here is the media. This is where you're going to add all of your media files, your footage, any B-roll, any audio, any photography, anything that you kind of want to add over it. So this is all of mine, and you can kind of see it here. You see this B-roll here? I had it here in the media. Now I'm going to show you something that I really like. Do you see this type here? If you go to text, you can add your text, right? But this is the part that I really love that Premiere I don't think has. And it already has styles ready for you to go. Literally, look at this. Like, this is awesome. Awesome. So that made it super easy. And again, I'm a graphic designer. I care about that stuff. And then if you go into effects, there's also a library for effects. In my experience with Premiere, no knock on Premiere, honestly, but you have to like download stuff and like import it. And so I'm trying to show you like all this glitch. It was all in the library, even the sound effects. If you go to the audio, there's sound effects and there's an entire library for it. You can also add captions. And so if I go back to, oh no, where is it? Text. It does captions. And now the cool thing about the captions, they're all in this layer here, so I can hide them if I want. And it's the same thing, the editing, it has styles down here. So if you want a different style, you totally can do that. It has all of the fonts, like it has a pretty extensive font library already in it, which is pretty awesome. And it has transitions. And here's something else that I loved, okay? It has LUTs or filters already integrated into it. There's a whole library for it. And if you notice, there's a pro feature. That pro feature is a paid account. I just do the free, and I just find the free stuff. These are my favorites. So if I go back down here, you'll see the adjustment layer, and you can actually go into the window here and further adjust, like make your adjustments that you need to do, and you can save it as a preset. So that's what I did. And it comes up here as my favorite, okay? And let me see, something cool too, your account for the app and for desktop, they work together. Now, the project files don't actually show up on here for me that are on my iPhone. Actually, I'm lying. Oh no, they don't. But the accounts are the same, and so that's why you saw that my favorite ones were that Bad Bunny one. Okay, now let me show you a few other things. You can export a still frame right here. See, thumbnail, makes it super easy. You can also add your cover for your YouTube videos right in here, which is pretty dope. Like they have a whole editing window. That's awesome. And you can change the ratio right over here, super easy. And then to export, there's this blue button here. Okay, to export, you can change your resolution, your frame rate if you want to, etc. And in that export window, okay, let me go here again. You can actually export audio as a separate file and even a GIF. Let me show you guys this. So let me go into episode 1. Look at this. So export. Those are my export files. Here we go. This is the audio, just audio. Okay.
Anyway,
so if you want to do clips and stuff like that, here's a GIF. This was pretty cool. Why not? Right? So you can do all of that. So I found it really easy to use. I found all of the styling attributes and options to be awesome because, again, I care about that. So I just wanted something easy that would make me a video that I can share wherever I want to share it, and it would not take me 2 days, 3 days worth of work. And I'm having fun doing it. So if you're interested in doing more video, you're not a great editor, try it. Or if you're a really great editor and you want to try it, let me know what you think. I'm down for that too. But in the comments, let me know what you think about it. If you find it easy, if there's another one, honestly, these days, there's so much new stuff coming out. And so keeping up with everything is a little difficult. But if there's a better one, tell me about it. I'll try it. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Like it, share it, comment. Let me know what you think. Have the best day.